Okay, getting praise. The drums start the intro, no piano. I didn't hear any piano in the refrains in the actual recording, but I saw some live recordings and it had these, and they're eighth notes, and it really worked good. So it was over the two refrains, just playing octaves of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and put some pedal with it. So the two refrains were like refrain 2, 3, 4. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Second one. Let everything that has breath praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Verse 1. So that gets me to the verse. I'll praise in the valley. So it's an A first inversion chord. A, C sharp, E is root. So I'm putting the A on top. So first inversion chord with an A and an E in the bass. So I'll praise in the valley is the lyric. And then the next chord says it's a B minor over A, praise on the mountain. So praise, B minor would be, but what we're hearing on the recording is a B minor first inversion chord. So I'm gonna put the B on top. And I'm hearing this change in the left hand. So an A and an F sharp in the left hand. Then I'm back to the A and the E in the left hand when I go back to the A. So the first two lines of the verse are, I'll praise in the valley, praise on the mountain. And we get to the third line, which is an E over A, and it's an E second inversion chord, B, E, G sharp, and it's rhythmically hitting 4 times, praise when I'm sure. Praise when I'm sure. It's just right along with the lyric. I'll praise when I'm sure. Going down to a D, second inversion. Then praise when I'm doubting. So when I get praise when I'm doubting, right back to an A root position, which takes us to verse 2, which is very similar. Goes back to the A first inversion chord. I'll praise when I'm numbered. Now I'm going to the same B minor first inversion chord. Praise when surrounded rather, like praise when surrounded. So that lick is, if I'm thinking about it on the, I'm still going up to the F sharp. Praise when surrounded. Back to the A. Then the E over A, just like verse 1, it has a little lick on the front of it. The lyric is, cause praise is the waters, but it's like, cause praise is the waters. So like B, E, A, cause praise is the waters. My enemies drowning. So that time, enemies drowned in, the lick's a little different. And that's an A and an F sharp. A, E, me's, A, D, back to the root position, drowning. Then we get to the pre-chorus, which are just 2 big E, low as I can get them, as long as I'm breathing.